Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to install brushes in Illustrator so you can expand your creative toolkit and start using custom brush sets in your designs. Step 1. Start by making sure your new brush assets are extracted from any archive, because Illustrator can't read them while they're still packed. Then, open Illustrator and go to the Brushes panel, where you'll access the Brush Libraries menu to load your new brushes. Step 2. In the Brush Libraries menu, choose Other Library, then navigate to your Custom Brushes folder. Select the brush set you want to load, and it will appear in the panel ready to use. Step 3. Once your brushes are loaded, click on any brush in the library to apply it to a path or shape on your canvas. This is useful for adding texture, style, or artistic strokes to your artwork. Step 4. If you want to keep your brushes accessible in future projects, you can save the loaded brush library by going to the Brush Libraries menu and selecting Save Brush Library, which stores it for easy reuse. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful tutorials.